recording.
Look at me. Now at her. Now at me. Now at her. Do you see her? Do you see her knees? Do you see her head? Do you see my face? Then, do you see hers? Of course you do. Do you see mine? Yep. Do you see hers? Yes, you do. Now look at the tortillas.
Chips.
Aren't you excited that you're seeing our faces?
They're tortilla chips. Wasn't even that funny.
Yeah, it was. You're like, look at the tortilla chips.
They're so triangular. Now they're not. Even less than before.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay, we did.
Look at my knees. Okay. Okay.
They disappeared.
Okay. I know it's kind of dark. Anyway, it's kind of dark because the sun, it's daytime, and it's usually light outside when it's
We
day.
ran out.
What is that?
I will get more.
You do that.
No.
What? Ukulele skills.
Okay. It was better the first video. Like I said, it was better the first video.
I will make another video of this song when I learn it more, but right now I don't know really anything.
Can you guess what song that is?
Then here's the ending. Okay, if you didn't guess, actually, guess what it is, and I will give you. What will I give you? I will give you.
A Gatorade bottle.
No, it's my Gatorade bottle.
Okay,
I'll find something and I'll give it to you. How about I'm looking around my room.
An internet.
Oh, what?
An internet hub.
Yes, an internet. What did you say?
Never mind.
I'll find something if you guess what song that was. And if you can guess it, wow, good job. Okay, it's going on 2 minutes and 53, 4, 5 seconds.
Aren't you getting bored?
Well, the other one was 6 minutes.
I know, but it wasn't that boring. We had chips.
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 They went away.
They did.
What shall we do now? Leaves. Outside. Oh. Well, actually, oh.
No old man walking his dog.
I know that was the last one. Boop. This is my neighborhood. So if you want to stalk me, this is where I live. I'm just
And the address is.
Shut up. Crazy. Yeah. Big ball.
Eyeball. 35 pounds of
Ball.
ball.
Oh, you want hamburgers and hot dogs?
Just hamburger, please. Yeah, we're taking orders because it's 4:04 in the afternoon. And we're going to have dinner. Oh, chips. Chips. Chips, chips. Actually, I don't want to fill up on chips, so I'm going to take 2. And then you guys can eat them. Put the ball down.
The ball is down.
On ground so I can put it on.
Alright.
Okay. Now that we got that covered, does it look familiar? Does the cup look familiar? You won't get it unless you watch the other video.
Yeah.
So watch the other video.
And you must push like